Alright, so let's look at question 3. Question 3 says a ball is thrown horizontally from the top of a building and lands its distance d from the foot of the building after having been in the air for its time t and encountering no significant air resistance. If the building were twice as tall, keyword, which is twice, the ball would have, alright, so this is a projectile motion, right? So to do this, basically we just gotta know the projectile equation. So it's y equals initial plus your initial velocity of y t plus a t squared. Now, so we know that our y initial, so it's gonna be 0, 2 because of the twice of the height of the initial height minus gravity t squared. Now, when we solve, so we have to isolate t, right? So, let me see. Okay, so we have to isolate t by doing this. Our y is going to be 0. Y is 0. So, we know we're going to isolate t, so we're going to move we're going to move gravity towards the left to isolate t. Because when we move, if we set y equals 0, then we have, so gt squared equals 2ho. Now we isolate g. We're given t squared equals 2 height, initial height of gravity. To isolate t, we get the square root. So we know t equals the square root of the initial height and gravity. So that is the question. That is the answer to our question. So it's t equals square root of 2. That becomes C.